Hello guys, my name is Putri Jutuyungli. I want to tell you about tips to improve communication skill. Being a student is your chance to hone your communication skill. If your communication skill are good enough, it will be easier for you to adjust to work later. Number 1, be an active listener. Being an active listener here doesn't mean just being silent when the other person is talking. An active listener means that when the other person is talking, you provide feedback in the form of relevant question, a sign that you are interested in the topic of the conversation and want this conversation to continue. Number 2, control emotion. Besides being useful for maintaining the health of your heart and stomach, emotional control is also useful for keeping communication clear, effective, and reducing the risk of conflict. A professional in the field of communication can understand the interlocutor well and can convey his emotion according to the context so that emotional and conflict-filled conversation can be avoided. Number 3, ask your friend for feedback in order for communication skill to be honed and developed. You can ask the people around you whether your communication is good enough or if there is something they don't like. Communication is dynamic thing, so you also need to keep adapting to the environment and the other person all time. Number 4, get used to public speaking. Public speaking may be intimidating to some people, but some people who are used to and fluent in public speaking often have excellent communication skill. So if you get the chance to speak in public, don't hesitate and don't be afraid because it's your chance to practice. 5. Filter your talk. Effective communication have excellent social conversation skill, so they really understand how to express the style of speech of words that can be conveyed to other people and certain environments so the risk of conflict and difference so opening can be minimized. Communication type. Number 1, oral. Verbal communication is the used language to convey information through speaking or sign language. This is one of the most communication type often used during presentation, video call conferencing, and calls, meeting, and one-on-one conversation. Verbal communication is important because it is efficient. Number 2, nonverbal. Nonverbal communication is the use of body language, gesture, and facial experience to convey information to others. It can be used both intentionally and unintentionally. For example, you might smile unintentionally when you hear a fun or acting either or pitch of information. Number 3, written. Written communication is the act of writing, typing, or printing symbols such as letter and number to convey information. This is helpful because it provides a record of information for reference. Writing is usually used to share information through book, pamphlet, blog, letter, and memos and more. And the last, number 4, visual. Visual communication is the act of using photograph, art, drawing, sketch, chart, and graph to convey information. Visual are often used as an aid. Visual are often used as an aid during presentation to provide helpful context alongside written and or verbal communication. Because people have different learning style, visual communication may be more helpful for some people to consume ideas and information. Thank you guys. Bye bye.